Okay, very good job. Now we're going to go on to step 6, which is our reading step, and today we're doing a word find. What we're looking for are all the O-O words that say because that's the sound we're working on today. So first, I would like for you to circle all the words with O-O-O, okay? Okay, now I'm going to give you a highlighter because when we do these word searches, I want that new pattern to really pop out at you. So highlight your O-Os in all of the words so that we remember that's what we're thinking about. O-O-O, O-O-O. It's a vowel team and it has 2 sounds we have to remember. O-O-Oo, O-O-O. You can also color that center O-O if you like to. Okay, great job. Okay, now what we're going to do next is I want you to take a look at the words that you circled and highlighted and pick out a word you really like, one of your favorite words. So you have to kind of look at them and read through them. Find your favorite and then just look at me when you've got it. I'm gonna find my favorite. Let's see. Okay, everybody got their favorite? All right, I'm going to pass my paper over to Keith, and I would like him to write his favorite word, okay? And then when we see what it is, we're going to check it off on our papers, okay? So Keith, find your favorite word. Oh, I was thinking about that word. I'm going to pick a new one. Good job, Keith. All right, what did Keith choose? Can you see?
Goodness.
Goodness. Goodness. Goodness. I like that choice. So find goodness and mark it off. Goodness. I'm trying to, you can, or just a little happy face or a check mark. I'm trying to think of a sentence with goodness. Goodness. That my grandpa was filled with goodness. What would that mean to you, Keith? My grandpa was filled with goodness.
Happy.
He was a really good person, helped others. He was happy and sweet. Is that a kind of person you'd want to be around, Megan? Yeah, me too. All right, let's see what Michaela chooses for her favorite word.
Mom said, do your goodness or your spelling test.
Do your good or your best, right? Oh, I was going to choose that one too. Gosh. Michaela, what's your favorite word?
Book.
Oh, I love that. Books. That's the best thing. Book, book. Very good. So find the word book and mark it off of your list.
I know see which one.
What's your sentence?
I read a book for I could get a Raising Readers ticket.
Oh, so you're reading books to get that free ticket. That's a good idea. All right, so Megan, oh, Megan already chose it. Wow, she was ready. She chose cook. Cook. Do you like to cook, Megan? Neat. Cook. Good job. What's your favorite thing to cook?
I don't know, mostly everything.
You really like to cook. I wish you were at my house. You can come see me and cook for me. What do you
cook a whole bunch of stuff.
can you? Do you like to make cookies or dinner stuff or what? Do you like it all? Do you like to cook it or eat it, Keith? Okay. All right, here's my words, and you guys are choosing my favorite word. I'm going to choose this one. It's kind of like book. It's a small book, a booklet. I like booklets and books. So find the word booklet and mark it off. Good job. All right, so let's take a look at these. I'm going to scooch back a little and let's read these words together. Ready? Goodness, book, cook, booklet, checkbook, textbook. Good. And what do you notice about those sentences? What do you see a lot of in there? Michaela? Lots of O-Os. On our first lesson day when we introduce a new sound, we read so many words with that sound, and that's what these sentences are full of. So number one, lots of O-O words. I'm going to ask Megan to come up and mark up the O-O words in number one. Okay? I like it to read sentences with lots of the words in our pattern because you feel yourself saying, and it sounds neat. Good job, Megan. Okay, Michaela, can you read that sentence?
The crook took my notebook from the bookcase.
Good reading. The crook took my notebook from the bookcase. So what is a crook in that sentence, Keith?
A stealer.
Somebody that's taking something that doesn't belong to them. Keith, what's it say?
I put my foot into the brook and it left.
It.
It felt good.
Good. I put my foot into the brook and it felt good. Why would that feel good? What do you think, Michaela?
Because maybe it might be hot out and you're wearing tennis shoes or flip-flops and your feet get real sweaty, so you can put them in the brook.
Right. So you get your feet wet and they cool off. So it did feel good. That is a fun thing to do. You guys did very well reading those sentences. Is there someone who would like to read all of the sentences? Okay, Megan, go ahead.
The crook took my notebook from the bookcase. I stood by the woodshed and read a book.
Great.
I walked barefoot on the footpath. Look, I can hook a fish.
Good.